Fun with colors! Hi friends! Today let's draw Princess Celestia from My Little Pony. Let's start drawing the wings. This is the horn, and now let's draw the crown. Let's draw the beautiful long hair and the legs. Do you love watching My Little Pony? Princess Celestia looks so graceful. Let's draw the cute sun mark on the Princess Celestia. And this is the necklace. Let's put the details on the crown. And finally, let's draw the beautiful eyes. The princess is ready. Let's color. Let's color the face with pink color. Let's put pink color in the wings and the body. Let's also put pink color in all the 4 legs. This is yellow color. Isn't she looking very pretty? Now, we will put color in the hair. Let's start with green color. This is blue color. This is purple color. Now, can you guess this color? Correct! This is pink color. Let's keep coloring all the hair with green color blue color and purple color. Do you know which color is this? Right, it's blue color. I enjoy watching Princess Celestia in the show. Which character is your favorite from My Little Pony? The hair looks so colorful. Do you love coloring? It's ready! For more coloring videos, subscribe to the channel and like the video. We will see you in our next video soon. Bye!